Hello, everyone. My name is Jasmine Barner, and I am doing a persuasive speech about global human population. Okay. The issue of human control has remained pervasive for the longest time now. Some researchers believe that the human population issue is manageable through different methods of relocation and birth control. The increase in the human population negatively impacts the ecosystem. Some of the impacts of the increase of the human population to the ecosystems include climate change resulting from global warming due to human activities. Human activities such as deforestation lead to the direct impact of climate change. Such activities result from human encroachment to the forest areas for settlement, which is the impact of the population growth. Thus, the human population is estimated constant growth becomes a significant concern on the Earth's sustainability of the rapidly growing populations. Human population control is mostly associated with wiping out the existing population or instead harming the existing population. Nevertheless, it should be noted that there are safer customs of controlling the population. The exponentially growing population, if not controlled, may at some point make it difficult for the entire human species to sustain itself due to the adverse effects that it's continually causing. Ethical concerns on the population control methods currently in use and those that should be used to control the rapidly growing population. Moreover, some of the methods being against some religious perception also raise the alarm on the consideration of the methods to be used. The human population control topic thus is a broad subject that has the impact of other matters apart from space. The future generations are the immediate beneficiaries of the population control since they will have safer environments. Moreover, human population control will also positively impact economic development across the globe. The population increase has an favorable impact on the Earth ecosystem, which is inhabited by other species. According to scientific research, reproductive rates significantly impact the planet's future ecosystems and conductiveness. Conceivably, the issue of depletion of natural resources is at stake due to the rapidly increasing human population. Therefore, the current use of natural resources like petroleum and fossils will be a historical memory in the near future. Moreover, the environment unit is significantly affected by the population congestion. The human population's encroachment from forests resulting from human unsustainability affects the ecosystem directly by replacing other species, ecological niches, and indirectly by causing global warming around the globe. Thus, global warming has resulted in a change of the climate patterns, thus affecting the original sequence of nature's events like weather seasons. The control of the human population will control some of the human issues that are a result of the growing population. First, unemployment results from the fewer employment slots versus the continually growing population that the slots cannot sustain. Thus, the rate of the unemployment has led to an increase in the crime rates across the globe as a human find alternative sustain, sustainability methods. Secondly, conflicts over territories or a similar resort to the rapidly increasing population leading to war. Thus, with population control, less of the wars concern the territories. Thirdly, the increased cost of living affects the rapidly growing population with an economy that cannot sustain this population. Thus, the increased cost of living has raised poverty levels since most individuals cannot secure employment. Some of the methods suggested for human population control are biological methods. These methods involve the prevention of conception, thus are birth control methods. Some of the birth control methods include emergency contraceptions, oral contraceptives, contraceptives ring, inter-ring device. Some republics have adopted these birth control methods as policies to decrease the continually growing populations. As an example, China has a policy on contraceptives for the productive population, thus decreasing the rapidly growing population. Are the birth control methods as strategies of population control is a, is opposed by other factors. Factors such as religious belief affect the substan- substantiality of birth control. Some religions are against birth control methods, stating that they are natural and against the natural way of life. Thus, the religious issue makes it difficult to advocate population control for believers of the religious institutions. The planet's sustainability is critical thus through the human population control, and it shall be also considered. Ethics synthesize that the human population control as an unethical practice. Do the ends justify the means? Ethics state that population control despises human beings as an object towards eliminating the current problems like the encroachment of natural habitat, climatic changes. Therefore, human beings' instrumentation to be the source of the current issue around the globe is unethical. Will population control be a solution to the already depleted and unrenewable resources? They already depleted the natural resources like the forest, natural habitats, and the fossil fuels because they cannot be restored. However, the minimum remaining resources could sustain the current population. Do the ends justify the means? The ultimate positive effect of the population control should outdo the harm of the population control. The issue of ethics should also be considered in the implementation of the population control methods. However, some of the depleted resources like land and forest cannot be replaced by the restored through reforestation. And everyone, that's my video talking about the population control and how everything is revolved around the world and the globe. And thank you.